Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. So XRP is currently still working on this pullback, or let's rather call it consolidation for now, sideways consolidation. The support region hasn't changed. The price already reacted to it. We communicated this support region in the last update for possibly one more high in this local structure. By the way, just to explain, if you haven't watched the last video, or if you're not familiar with the overall larger time frame, bigger picture, the idea is that we are currently moving up in a third, well, not in the third wave, that might actually be done. I'm currently exploring whether we're in the fourth wave pullback here, right? And but this is the support area here on the larger time frame. On the smaller time frame, I have a let's say a micro support, right? But the idea is that we could at any point now start this fourth wave, and I'd like to see another move up in wave 5. So overall, there's at the moment no confirmation we've topped, but we've reached the target. I mean, the price has reached that $1.26 level. I mean, technically here at some point, this overall move to the upside could be finished, but I'm still watching for higher. Obviously, the risk is higher now. That's all I can say. And it doesn't look complete yet. But then again, did this look complete? I mean, the XRP movements, they often turn into just 3-wave structures. All I can say is there is a chance for another 4-5 pattern. But if we break, I mean, the biggest part of this particular move here is likely done, right? This one move. So if we get another 4-5 pattern, and only you can decide if it makes sense for you, but then if there's a wave 4 pullback, we could get another wave 5. And this wave 4 might be unfolding right now. It's all a question of reward and risk. There should be some good resistance in the area between $1.67 and $2. So we've got Fibonacci resistance, but also the previous swing high. Could be a proper breakout above the 2021 high, but there's likely going to be some resistance. So now the reward to risk ratio isn't as favorable anymore as it was down here where we had a support area at the time, which I've now removed from the chart because we don't need it anymore. But if this is a C wave to the upside on this time frame wave degree, it could be a diagonal. Therefore, this has to be the support area between 98 cents and 65. Now, this is a very wide, or let's say, yeah, large support area, but it has to be because wave 4s can be deep. But there is a support area on the smaller time frame that we can watch, which is a little bit, yeah, let's say nearer to the current price, a bit closer, and doesn't necessarily allow that much movement. So this is smaller. This is just for the immediate move up. And I'm just exploring if the buyers turn up here. It's between 78.5 cents and $1. And if we explore here this particular price action on the smaller time frame, it doesn't look finished, this correction. I mean, I would prefer this like A, B, C. That could happen. In that case, the area between 93 cents and 80 cents is a target. But, you know, we could just turn this into a triangle like A, B, C, D, E, and then we go directly. Triangles always possible. But if we break below that A wave low at $1, it should send us into that area here where you could watch for the buyers to come in potentially, right? Between 80 cents and 93.4 cents. And then if we go a little bit lower, then any break below that B wave top there at $1.19 could be an indication we're moving up in that 5th wave. At the moment, this is just sideways consolidation. A very common way of completing this correction would be a C wave down, but there isn't really downside momentum right now, but that could carry on a little bit longer. Or just, you know, if this is a triangle, then it should go a little bit more sideways. We only have a 3-wave rally from the Sunday low, so it's not a very clear breakout structure yet. No impulsive reaction, even though it reached support. I mean, it reacted to that $1 level, right? Oops, didn't want to move that. I want to move the support area just to show. See, the price has reacted to it already. I mean, but it's a bit weak for an internal 4th wave. It's a bit weak. It could just move a little bit more sideways, especially with a 3-wave move up from support. I'd like to see probably one more low below the A wave low, or at least a bit of a sideways consolidation for a little bit more of a healthy wave 4. But overall, no sign at the moment that a top has formed. Could still move a little bit higher. We just need a little bit more price action in that correction to determine where we are. But at the moment, I'm watching that blue area. And if the price breaks below the $1 level, this is an area that the price could react to, yeah, where the buyers could step in. For now, I see this only as sideways consolidation. The move down from this high, which formed on Saturday, the 16th, it's a 3-wave move down. So if that, had that been a 5-wave move down, it would be more bearish, but it's only 3 down. So it's not indicating a major top. At the moment, not. That's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.